Hi guysini, sanibonani guysini. Sila, I am as confused as all of you guys. Kani le ndaba le bebengachongo ukubana unumber 5 was paid ilobola uDisemba ka-2023. Jiki khona kusiye khulunywa indaba zemvulamlomo, indaba zeyinkomo, khona kusathunyelwa omalume. Kanene kwenzakalani Jesu? I know production team ngathi story senu sesiyanihlula ke ngoko. You guys, you even remove the tape. We saw uMusa going up kabo Makhwela asiye cela ubuhlobo 2023 December. So the whole of last year, these people, they were supposedly dating. Hi man. Ndidiwe like kwenzakalani? Like nje everything, it's too scripted man. You could see usnepa. Oh gosh. Like she's like the way she was looking at this omalume kubana hey masigqibe lo msangano mani kwamele ngigoduke ke mna. Like you can see usne ebusweni ukuthi hayi she was ready to laugh phela usne ukubana hayi this is a joke phela. And usne indaba sazophuma nazo. One thing with usne hayi lies siyayibona, iqiniso lena angeke aligoqe forever. Uzosho usne uthi hayi nangengikade ngisiyale ngangikhokhelwe nje nokuthi ngiyelaphana bengafuni nokuya lapho. That is ne for you. That is ne for you guys. Usazoyikhupha-ke zonke le ndaba ku-live podcast apho kubana hayi bengingafuni kwanto yokuba umkhongi mina ndaphoqeleke. Like what is happening? You can see now. No guys, this is like lies. Like it's too scripted man. Like yo, it is too scripted. We know bana like vele yona the episodes vele bana sometimes obviously it's not like live. It's not like real happening. It's something that would like the producers will tell them bana add this and this, you guys must say this, you guys see there and stuff like that. And then some of them it's like things that are actually happening. But yona eyelobola isigaqa sadigaqa. Cause njani there's two people lapana. Those people I've never seen them nje even in the Duma family, in the Duma what yo ay kuningi kuba kuningi kwawuthando nestembu. Hlela number 5 nje ngathi nje uza nenqovo nje like kuyaxoveka kuyanqovisa kuya I know. Let me know, what do you guys think? Is this true or lies? Let me know.